In this video, we're going to show how to create multiple variants of the same model without building model from scratch. Now, before we start, if you want free SOLIDWORKS modeling blueprint, you can just click the link below and you can get it for free. So here we have this model, and now we want to make some variations, right? So here we have all the features that we used. And now, for example, we want to delete some features, we want to change some features, and we want to add some features, but we don't want to build a model from scratch. And also, we don't want to copy this file and then edit. So we can do this in SOLIDWORKS by going here to the configurations. Okay, so here we have configurations. And right now we have one configuration, as you can see here. And this is this configuration. Now I can create a new configuration. I can go just right click and I can go here, add configuration. And I can call it C2, for example. And I can just click OK. So now I have here configuration C, and also I have here C2. And now we can see that this C2 is active. If we double click on the C, now the C configuration will be active. So let's go back to the C2. Now this configuration is active. Now I can go here to the feature manager design tree. And for example, what I can do, I can delete some feature. For example, I can suppress some feature. This one here, right click, I can suppress. Now also the cut and mirror is suppressed as well. And this is my new configuration, okay? So if I go here back and I activate configuration C, I can see that here we have this, right? If I go here to the C2, I can see that we don't have this, right? So this is how we created two configurations. But also what we can do is I can create new configuration. Let's add new configuration. We're going to call it C3. Now this configuration is active. But now look at this. If I go here to the feature manager design tree, I don't have this cylinder here because this configuration was made from configuration C2. Now, if I want to have this cylinder back in the new configuration, I have to go here and I have to activate C configuration. And now I can go here, right click, add configuration. Let's call it C4. Now C4 is active. So if I go here to the feature manager design tree, now I have everything. Okay, so as you can see, C4 has the cylinder, C3 doesn't have because is made from the C2, but also doesn't have the cylinder. And C also has the cylinder as C4. So if I go here to the C4 now, as we saw, we can suppress certain components, but we can also change them. You know, for example, I can go here to this face. I can create a sketch. I can just go with a simple rectangle like this, and I can just cut this through. So you can go to the features, extrude cut. Let's go through all. Let's click OK. So now we have here this hole. If we go back to configurations, we have C4 active. If we activate C3, we see we don't have this hole, right? If we activate C, we also don't have this hole because this hole is only on the C4 here, right? The same thing is if I go here and I go here to this cylinder and I change the sketch here. So instead of 10 millimeters diameter, I'm going to go here with 5. Let's click OK and let's exit. So now we got this. Now if I go back to the configurations, now if I go to the C3, we can see that we don't have this at all, right? So there are no changes in this. So this is how you can make multiple variants of the same model without starting from scratch. So I have to use here configurations. Now, if you want my SOLIDWORKS Beginner's Blueprint, you can just click the link below. And also, if you want access to my full course, you can check out on the link below. See you in another video.